Hi everyone. Today I'm going to cover up practice number 3 of part 2. Let me go ahead. This is your question. The code is import pandas as PD, which means it's a pandas library where we're giving a short name as PD, which used to work with the tables, that is data frames in Python. Next we have is df is equal to pd.dataFrame, which has three things. One is gender, one is city, and one is age. We are closing it. This is my original data where I have been changed anything. It's just the data which is being collected and which creates a data frame over here. So df underscore dummy is equal to pd dot get underscore dummies df comma drop underscore first is equal to 2. Here, this is the main important line I can see. It converts my categorical data into numbers or true and false. Machine learning models cannot understand the words, so we need to convert them. This process we call as one-hot encoding or dummification. Now here we have mentioned that dop underscore first is equal to true. And what does it do? It removes one category to avoid the confusion. For example, if gender has male and female, so instead of making gender underscore female and gender underscore female, it keeps only one column. Because if male is equal to false, automatically female false, like that. Next we have print df dummy file, which converts my converted table and will display it. This is the output. You can see here my column age and I have gender underscore male and I have city underscore ny. The entire two column has been converted into true and false so that my machine understands what type of word is it, because it cannot understand words, so we need to convert them into true and false so that my machine learning will understand. It converts the text into numbers or true and false, and here we convert it into true and false. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.